Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the real cost of becoming a landlord. Becoming a landlord can look like a simple way to make money from real estate. You buy a property, rent it to tenants, and collect monthly rental income. However, the real cost of becoming a landlord is much bigger than just the purchase price or the mortgage payment. A rental property can create income, but it also brings ongoing responsibilities, hidden costs, and surprise expenses. First, being a landlord means you own a property and allow tenants to live there in exchange for rent. This gives you rental income potential, but it also means you are responsible for keeping the property safe, maintained, and legally compliant. So, before buying a rental property, it is important to understand that rent is not pure profit. To begin, there are upfront costs before the property even starts producing income. These may include the down payment, closing costs, inspection fees, repairs or upgrades, furniture or appliances if needed, and insurance setup. As a result, starting a rental property usually requires more cash than many new investors expect. After that, the monthly ownership costs begin. These costs may include the mortgage payment, property tax, landlord insurance, utilities if the owner pays them, HOA or strata fees, and property management fees. Even if rent comes in every month, these costs continue every month too. Therefore, a landlord must look at the full monthly picture, not just the rent amount. In addition, maintenance and surprise expenses can quickly reduce profit. Landlords need to budget for repairs, regular maintenance, plumbing or electrical problems, vacancy periods, legal or lease costs, and cleaning or turnover between tenants. A property may look profitable on paper, but one major repair or long vacancy can change the numbers fast. For example, imagine a rental property earns $24,000 per year in rent. At first, that sounds like strong income. But then you subtract the real annual costs. The mortgage may cost $12,000, taxes $3,000, insurance $1,200, maintenance $2,400, vacancy reserve $1,200, management $1,800, and other costs $800. Altogether, the annual costs become $22,400. So, when $22,400 in costs are subtracted from $24,000 in income, the net cash flow is only $1,600 per year. This example shows why rental income and rental profit are not the same thing. A property can collect a lot of rent, but still leave only a small amount after all expenses. Moreover, many new landlords forget smaller hidden costs. These may include tenant screening, advertising, lease paperwork, travel time, bookkeeping, tax preparation, and future capital expenses such as roof replacement, HVAC systems, or major appliances. These costs may not happen every month, but they still matter because they can reduce real profit over time. Because of this, staying financially safe is very important. A landlord should buy with a realistic budget, keep an emergency fund, estimate maintenance honestly, plan for vacancy, and review cash flow before buying. Most importantly, do not rely on rent alone. A good rental property should still leave room for profit after all real costs are included. So, the key lesson is simple. Rent is not pure profit. Real landlord costs go beyond the mortgage. Strong cash flow depends on budgeting for hidden costs, maintenance, vacancy, and unexpected expenses. If the numbers still work after including these costs, the property may be stronger and safer for long-term investing. Ultimately, becoming a landlord can be a powerful way to build wealth, but only when the real costs are understood first. The best landlords do not just focus on collecting rent. They plan carefully, protect cash flow, and prepare for the expenses that come with owning and managing rental property. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.